So you think you've got it all figured out. Well, you know you can't make it alone. Everybody needs somebody to help them out. And you know I could be that someone. And if you ever get lost on life's highway, don't know where to go, there's just one thing that I want you to know. I am here for you. Whoa, always here for you. When you need a shoulder to cry on, someone to rely on, I am here for you. So you think that love is long overdue, tired of looking for someone to care. Let me tell you now, the choice is up to you. But you know I will always be there. I am here for you. Whoa, always here for you. When you're needing someone to hold.